In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zelle with a small business account. If you're running a small business and you're tired of waiting on checks to clear or chasing down cash payments, this is going to make your life a whole lot easier. Money lands straight in your account, usually within minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you can do anything, you need to check that your bank or credit union actually supports Zelle for business accounts. This is important because not every bank that offers Zelle to regular customers also offers it for small business accounts. They're treated as two different things behind the scenes. So head over to your bank's website or just give them a call and confirm your specific account type is eligible. Don't worry, most major banks do support it these days, but it's worth the quick check so you're not stuck halfway through setup. Once you've confirmed you're eligible, go ahead and log into your online banking or your bank's mobile app using your business account credentials. From there, look for an option called Send Money with Zelle. Depending on your bank, this might live under a Payments tab, a Pay and Transfer tab, or sometimes just a plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Every bank arranges their menus a little differently, so if you don't see it right away, try poking around those areas first. Now here's a step a lot of people get tripped up on. If you already use Zelle personally with your own email or phone number, you cannot use that same email or phone number for your business account. Zelle needs a separate one to keep your personal and business money completely separate. So have a dedicated business email address or a business mobile number ready to go before you start enrolling. Once you've selected Send Money with Zelle and picked your business account, go ahead and enter that email address or mobile number. You'll receive a one-time verification code by text or email. Simply enter that code when it comes through, then accept the terms and conditions. And just like that, your business account is enrolled and ready to send and receive money with Zelle. Now let's talk about actually receiving payments, since that's probably the main reason you're here. To get paid, all you have to do is share your enrolled email address or mobile number with your customers and let them know they can pay you with Zelle right from their own banking app. You don't need to hand over any sensitive account or routing numbers, just that email or phone number is enough, which keeps things secure on your end. Once a customer sends the payment, it'll drop directly into your enrolled bank account, typically within minutes. If you'd rather request the money instead of waiting on the customer to send it, that's easy too. Simply select Send Money with Zelle, then choose Request, and enter your customer's email address or mobile number. Double-check that you've got the right person before you tap Request, and once they respond, you'll get a notification letting you know the payment is on its way. Now, one safety note that's genuinely important here. Zelle payments move fast and they can't be reversed or canceled once the other person is enrolled. So only send or accept payments from customers and vendors you actually trust, and always triple-check that email address or phone number before hitting send. There's no purchase protection built in, so if something goes wrong with an order, Zelle itself won't be able to help you get your money back. And that's really all there is to it. You're now set up to send, receive, and request payments through Zelle with your small business account, keeping your cash flow moving without the wait. Thanks for watching, and here's to faster payments for your business.